I almost did my old intro. Hey everybody, how's it going? I got myself a new thing for nails. So let's unbox this together. And I also want to see like if it comes fully charged. I want to see the power, etc., etc. So let's do that. Let me just. That's not bad. That's better. All right. So I scored this thing. I'm going to show you. All right. So I got this off Amazon. I ordered it yesterday and it arrived at 1 o'clock. It's 3:30 now. This is like the only time I have time to do so. I scored this. This is a wireless Meremit. I don't know how you pronounce that, but on sale. Look at this. And I do a lot of research when I'm looking for things because anyone can make a cordless nail drill and it could be cheap crap or it could do and perform very well. Comes with a lot of items. I haven't looked in the box yet. We're going to see what all it comes with, make sure it matches all of this, etc., etc. But this is her. This is her so far. Okay. On the side, it says low vibration. Stop. Low vibration, low noise, low heat, two-way rotation. And a lot of the reviews were like, don't let the gems fool you. This thing has power. It literally says, feel the difference. It can go up to 45,000 RPMs or rotations per minute. Yeah. We're a box inside of a box. Oh, wait a second. Box. There's a box and then there's, okay. Alright, we have, oh, wow, yup, she matches for sure. We have, and I like that it's labeled 50, 120 grit arbor bands. There is, look at this. This one is a medium grit Flame S. I don't normally use the ceramic bits, but hey now. Got the different chargey cords. 2 different chargey cords. One for the handpiece, I'm assuming. One to charge it. We have this array of ceramic, or not ceramic, what are they? Granite bits? Ceramic bits. Here. Awesome. I'm already in love. And then we have, your standard little thingy of bits you get when you get a nail drill off of anything, right? We also, I love iridescent. Sorry, squirrel. Shiny. Ooh, shiny. It's all iridescent. Because I go through these like mad. If you're getting your nails done and your nail tech still has the same brush and it hasn't been swapped out, like the little fluffy brushes, because yes, these can be cleaned, but bacteria gets held in here. Make sure they're getting swapped out and cleaned, and you know what I mean? Okay, just like nail safety. Prioritize nail safety and cleanliness, and Bob's your uncle. You're good, okay? And oh wow, we have a diamond shape and also a straight. These are fluffy buffers. They feel like they're the same grit on both sides. Always need buffers. Love, love, love. I'm gonna put it down. I'll put these over here. Always need buffers. Okay. And then, sorry, I just took the top off. It's so pretty. Have your little manual, etc., etc. The voltage of the hand piece is even here. Your controls are on the end, etc. I'm just like quickly going over. Okay. Most satisfying. Actually, I'm gonna get it closer. So the whole reason I got this because I needed another drill. My other one died. Unfortunately. Needed one for pedicures because I'm setting up my pedicure station again. This one's very light. It's about like bottom heavy, but that's probably like the batteries in the bottom. Look at her. I'm gonna do a Oh, she's not gonna make a sound, but love it. Okay, I'm gonna pause just for a second and get it all together and put on. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ooh, this handpiece has a good weight to it too. I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, I really like that. Ooh. The only thing I wish it had like some kind of hip clip or something. You know what I mean? Cause yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get it like put together and read through this, and then we're gonna fart around and have some fun. Also, this black cord is braided fabric. Not a huge fan of that because fabric holds dust and yucks. But again, just prioritize like cleanliness and all that jazz. Okay? Well, we're gonna have to wait because she is not charged. So I'll be back. Also, yet another kind of pet peeve. They never send the plug. This is a Type-C, but they never send the thingy to plug it in with. They just send the thing. Prioritize sending plugs too, okay? Okay. She is charging. You can't, I just turned it on while charging, so we'll see if we can also use her plugged in. She needs a name. This is definitely, she's too pretty. She's too pretty. All right. I'm gonna put one of my bits I normally use in, hopefully universal. Perfect. Perfect. I do have, it does have the little lock, unlock, twist indicator. It doesn't. Oh, there's a, it's not clicking in place for a lock. So I wonder. Yeah, it's in there. Cool, cool. All right. Now we're gonna go. Okay, button on the side, forward, reverse, right? Forward is clockwise, reverse is counter. Instructions. Also, on the instructions, it tells you the name of every bit that it comes with. So I think that's pretty cool, especially for beginners or people using this at home. Okay, the on button, which is also the play and pause, so the on and off, as well as on and off for the spinny, okay? That is 39,000. I'm gonna turn it. That's pretty loud. But also not that bad as well, okay? We're gonna bring her way down. Because I wanna see. I'll be using this for pedicures. So I wanna see. Should turn on my desk. Doesn't sound like it slows down too much. Every handpiece does slow down when you make contact with something, but took that down fairly nicely. You know, she's not too loud. I don't mind that. It's the job that it's being used for is, again, not this strenuous. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with what came in the box, how fast it came, how much it was, and it seems like it takes down, I dropped that. Seems like it takes down hard gel. This is hard gel. Also can be used for acrylic at home, okay? Super good little deal, super good little bargain. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna leave that there. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Okay, bye.